Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a 2019 Nissan Rogue. It works the same on 2017 through 2020. So basically, I'm going to be using these arrows side to side. If I say over, that means those buttons. Up and down, and OK. So the first thing we want to do is scroll over to the right until we get to that setting. Then we're going to scroll down to maintenance. Click on hit OK. Put on filter. Scroll down to reset. Scroll up to yes. There you go, it's reset.